Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I'll show you how to speed up your Windows PC by clearing temporary files and junk. Perfect if your computer is running slow. Step 1. Run Disk Cleanup. First, search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and open it. Select your main drive, usually C:, then click OK. Now check Temporary Files, Recycle Bin, and other options, then hit Clean Up System Files and OK again. Step 2. Delete temp files manually. Next, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %temp% and hit Enter. Select all files and delete them. Don't worry, these are just temporary files your system doesn't need anymore. Step 3. Disable startup apps. Last step, right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable apps you don't use often, like Skype or OneDrive, for example. Just right-click and choose Disable.